So today we got a fun one, and as far as I know, it's the only fully battery-powered buffer, at least in the area that I live in. I picked this up around Christmas time at Walmart for approximately $88. It looks like it is a Walmart exclusive brand, so hopefully they'll keep on supporting it. Right now at certain stores you can actually get it for about half off, and it seems like a great deal. And then I'll address the issues that I have with my fully corded one later on in this video, and why I think that this is going to be a way better fit for me. So first, when you open the box, you have the two cloths that go with it, the applicator and microfiber cloth. And then we're going to pull out the unit itself, which has a really nice rubber grip on the handles, which is actually pretty impressive too. So here it is right now. Really nice white and black finish, and like I said again, those rubberized grips, I think it's really gonna stop some wrist fatiguing when you're buffer for a long time. I like to really get into detail in my vehicles. So next we're gonna have the charger, which is gonna show a red or green illumination to let you know what it's doing. It also has a color chart right on the sticker there. And then we have the battery. It's a 1.5 AH 20 volt lithium ion. So the lifespan of it should be pretty decent. So we'll pop it on here and then answer the question if it has power out of the box. And it actually does. So far, sounds a lot quieter than my fully electric one, and this one goes up to 2900 RPM, so we will see how it does the job later on in the video. And then lastly, the only thing left in the box is the manuals, but you're really not going to need them to know the operation of this. Quick on and off switch, and it locks into place so you don't have to hold it and you can focus on detailing your vehicle. So this was just a quick overview of the HART fully cordless buffer, and we'll do a comparison against my fully electric corded buffer here in a second. And I can already see in the future I'm just stashing away the corded one and only using this cordless one. Alright, so here we go. So the buffer I was talking about is a cheap one from Walmart. It's called Auto Spa, and this is about what it looks like. So the main issue with this is when you get going, you gotta stop all the time because this is gonna disconnect. So if I start doing this, move a little bit, this is what happens. So something that the HART will not do, and it's battery powered, so matter of fact you never have to deal with any of the cords. So I'm just going to lightly do a little bit of compound on here. E46 that I got. And we're going to do the front driver door real quick. We're going to see how the battery powered HART does versus the competition. So I used the other one more times than I can count, I'm sure. And the cord pull was getting so bad that I actually would have got some black electrical tape and would have wrapped it around, and it still ended up popping out or something would have happened. So let's try the HART here. And then here's also a close-up. I don't think I got that in the last video. Pretty simple. door. I'll actually take this off and get a close-up. Yeah, I mean, very, very quick with the compound, and looks pretty nice. See the reflection from the window. So, out of these two, definitely the HART is going to be the go-to. Thanks, guys.